The vacuum wasn't working, and that was a big crisis. She called me and all, an emergency. Vacuum's not working. So anyway, so I took it out to the shop and started basic troubleshooting practices. First thing I wanted to make sure is, do the switches work? So I opened this little thing. There's 3 screws in the back that I had to come out. One was up here, and then one in here, and one over here. Just basic Torx screws. Pretty simple. Took that out, took the cover off. This is the switch, what it looks like on the inside. Okay. Then I took my multimeter and flipped it over to resistance and tested the switches off and on, and they were both good, so I knew that was cool. Next thing I did, I took the plug and I plugged it in on my little handy dandy electrical cord and tested the voltage, see if I had any voltage on there. And interestingly enough, when I connected the black and the white one right out of the cable, I did not have 125 volts. So the next step I did is I tested the black one and went over to the plug and did again, used the ohm meter. See if I had any resistance, and there was no resistance, so I knew that the hot wire was good. Then once I got to the white one, the neutral, same thing. I hooked it up here and at the plug, and I had like 2 or 3 ohm resistance or something like that. Having a closer look at the plug itself, I noticed that here, if I can actually, this one here is solid, but the neutral is wiggling. I'll try to see if I can focus this. I don't like my camera. There, you can see how it's wiggling, and that's what I suspected to start with, that it was probably the plug. Anyways, cut the plug off, put the new one on, we're good to go.